Welcome back! In the last clip, we talked about an alternative to PCR, loop-mediated isothermal amplification, or LAMP, and our own isothermal polymerase SoliSD. Now, let's have another look at what this enzyme can do and where it is used. LAMP, like PCR, provides a reliable method for detecting RNA or DNA across various settings. Its simplicity, speed, and sensitivity, combined with the lack of need for specialized equipment or personnel, make it an ideal choice for point-of-care testing and remote applications. This versatility is particularly valuable in human diagnostic, pathogen detection in agriculture, and environmental sample monitoring. Let's have a closer look at the feature of our isothermal polymerase, SoliSD, that make this enzyme a perfect match for aforementioned applications. SoliSD delivers an excellent performance across a broad template input range with fast reaction speeds. SoliSD also demonstrates superior strand displacement activity, a critical feature for isothermal polymerases. Also included in the kit is our unique SoliSD Supplement system that minimizes problematic anti-C signals common in LAMP reaction and reduces variability between reactions. Finally, due to our stability tag technology, SoliSD shows exceptional stability, including the liquid non-lyophilized variant, and if even greater stability is required, you can choose among our lyo-compatible SoliSD variants for freeze drying, either for RNA or DNA targets. Make sure to check out our website for more details. See you in the next clip for more enzymes and protein that can be freeze-dried.